Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain the sounds of languages. Phonetics. In general, the phonetics is a study of characteristics of the speech sounds. The types of phonetics. The first one, articulatory phonetics, the study of how speech are made. The second one, acoustic phonetics, the physical properties of speech as sound waves in the air. The last one, auditory phonetics, deals with perception by the ear of speech sounds. Consonants, voiced, voiceless, place of articulation, manner of articulation. First, voiced and voiceless. Voiced, there are sounds produced when the vocal cords vibrate. Put your hand in the throat. For example, z, v, da, da. Do you feel any vibration? Yeah. Voiceless, these are sounds produced without vibration of the vocal cords, allowing the air to follow freely. Put your hand in the throat. For example, p, s, f, t. Do you feel any vibration? No. Second, place of articulation. Remember, we have 8 places of articulation. Bilabials. From the by using both upper and the lower lips. For example, p. Labiodental. From the Y, labiodental. From the with upper teeth and lower lips. We can say F. F. We can say F voiceless, but F voiced. The alveolar, from the with the front part of the tongue on alveolar ridge. For example, T, D, S, Z, N. Dentals, sound produced when the tongue is placed against or the near teeth. For example, th, think, these. Palatals, produced in area where the alveolar ridge meets the palatal. For example, sh, choose, chair, I, yes. The velar, sound produced toward the back of the mouth, involving the velum. For example, k, cat, g, go, ng, sing. Glottal, there is one of consonant that is produced without the active use of the tongue. For example, the H sound, have, hand, hold. Third, the manner of articulation. First, stops. These sounds are produced by block airflow and let it go abruptly. Put your hand in the front of mouth. You will feel air. For example, p, d, t, g, k. Fricatives, almost blocking the airflow, but it lets escape through the narrow gap. For example, f, s, z, sh. Affricate, combine a brief stop with a fricative. For example, ch, j. Nasals, lower the volume, let the air flow through the nose. For example, m, n, ng. Liquids, raise the tongue, let the air flow escape around to the slides. For example, r, l. Glides, you move the tongue to overflow a vowel. For example, w, j. Finally, thanks for watching everyone.